Okay, let's get started. Hello and welcome to my workbench. I'm excited to show you a brand new product that we have today. Now, these are some new hats for your keys. These are made by Tai-Hao. They're very well known for all of their keycaps. They've been around since 1962. They're a Taiwan-based company, and they have a new type of Choc keycap that was launched this year. And I'm happy to announce that we have not one, not two, but four different types, four different colors that we're launching with them in our partnership. So hopefully you can find one that's going to fit your needs that you'll really like. I think you'll be amazed with these. These are some beautiful keycaps. But here I've got white, mint blue, as you can see here. Then I have navy blue. And finally, we have black. So let's take a look at these. When you get these, this is how you're going to receive them. They're going to be covered in plastic in this nice packaging here. So we've seen white, we've seen black, and that's pretty standard. I want to take a look at these mint blue ones first. These are mint blue Tai-Haos. Let's open this up together. Get it out of the plastic. And we'll take a look. Oh, wow. This is the first time I get to see these. These are beautiful. Wow. I like that. Ooh, even comes with some extras, a couple colors. That's nice. And some 1.5U keys. That is, man, I love the looks of these. These are nice. I'm impressed. I really like the looks of these. Wow. All right, let's take them out. Nice little foam backing. Ooh, very well. So this is a set. I think there's a total of 67 keys. Plus you get a little Tai-Hao key, which I think is kind of cool. These are all shine through. So these will work with your RGB lighting in your keyboard, which is nice. Here, let's take out one of these. These are all PBT and they are shine through, like I said. So there's the shine backing. Go through so that you've got dashes, you've got your space bar, variety of characters. Man, I like how these feel. These are, you know what? I bet you these, they have a nice slight texture to them. And let's see. Actually, let's take it out. I'm grabbing my corn here, and let's take a look and see how a couple of these look on my corn keyboard. That way you get to see them. We'll take one of these. Put that on there. Oh man, look at that contrast on the black. I bet it looks good on the white too. Wow, I like that. Okay, let's grab a couple others. Let's grab this OS one, and we'll put it on our code button. Ooh, man, this will really stands out. Hopefully you can see this okay on the on YouTube. But man, this is cool. I like these. These are nice. These have some texturing to them, so they're not your standard like the MBKs, the Free Kitten MBKs. That's what these are here. These are their shine throughs are ABS, and they're very smooth. But these have some texture to them, which that's actually kind of nice. I love the smooth, don't get me wrong. But I'm also a fan of this light texturing. You can feel it gripping, like you could see my finger here, whereas I'm lightly pushing. You might be able to see that. But yeah, this is a beautiful set. We have these in stock now, and we're going to be carrying these on the regular. And yeah, so these are the mint green keycaps. And hopefully you can pick yours up today. Now, let's look at some of these other keycaps. Okay, let's put this off to the side. Let's put our mint greens away. We're going to look at the navy blue Tai-Hao low profile keycaps. These are covered in the same plastic, same kind of box. I like the little holographic sticker they got on the back. That's kind of cool. Even the box has a nice smooth texture to it. Ooh, wow. Look at those. Again, just like the others, all of these are shine through keycaps. So these will all glow when you plug them in. They'll light up real well, and you can see from the coloring there that white it picks up. So even if your light is upside down from the keycap, it'll still capture it with this white and be able to shine through, so you can see the letter or the legend real clear. And comes with a little extra pack here, just like before. We'll open this up. Ooh, and we got a white. So it comes with a couple extra keycaps. I think that's a very nice touch. And there's our 1.5U. Let's take a look at this on our keyboard. I've got a couple keys off my corn here. I always like feeling these keys. And then let's grab this command one out. And let's take our, grab a layer. I wanna take out this whole row. Make it look good. These are PBT keycaps, like I said. Man, look at that. That's cool. It feels good. With all the Tai-Haos, they have a nice light texture to them. I do like this light blue, or navy blue rather. Let's see, what other colors do we come in here? Now you'll get two random colors, right? So this is a mint green, and then a white that this particular pack comes with. And oh, these are not Choc, these are MX, so that's interesting. So, and that is a Choc, so that they actually may have put that in by mistake. But yeah, that looks really nice. I like that with the blue, the navy blue. So that's our navy blue ones. They fit here pretty good in the Choc. Yeah, I'm a fan of these. These are nice. So that's our navy blue Choc keycaps that are shine through for Tai-Hao. As you can see, we'll give you one more look at these. That's a beautiful keycap set. I like that navy blue. If you want something that's besides white or black but still dark, you have that, and it has a nice smoother feel. Nice smooth but a little bit textury, just a touch. And the home keys, F and J, those feel good. I'm actually kind of surprised they don't have others for different layouts, but at least you have it on your main F and J. Cool. Okay, so that's our navy blue. Let's button this up. We'll look at our next set. So these are the Tai-Hao black switch keycaps. Again, all these are Choc. So they are compatible with all the switches we sell, all the keyboards we sell. And if you have a Choc style keyboard already, then these will work perfectly with that. And yeah, these are the black keycaps. Let you have a nice, good look at that. Have a nice little shine to them. All these do. That's nice with the Tai-Hao in the corner. And let's pull this out. Let's see what colors we got. Oh, we got an extra black one, it looks like. That's cool. And yeah, now this, they gave us an extra MX. So maybe they do that on purpose. I don't know. Like I said, this is the first time I've ever opened these, so I haven't worked with Tai-Hao for very long because I just started holding these. So this is neat. So this is your Your standard MX blank. That's nice. Let's take this. We'll put it on our corn keyboard to see how this compares. Put our 1.5 U in here. There we go. Yeah, that feels good. Has a little texture to it. Take our couple extra keys out so we can take a look at this. Like I said, all these keycaps are shine through, as you know. I like how clear the lettering is. So just to compare the two, if you're looking at these, this is the MBX Black Shine Through. These are the MBX Legend Glow R2s that I've got on this particular corn. And so you can see how this is very smooth. This is an ABS plastic. This is a PBT plastic, a little textured. I love how clear their legend is. Their legend is very, very clear compared to the MBKs. But I mean, honestly, I don't think you can go wrong with either one. I think they're both beautiful sets. So it just depends on what's in your budget and what your preference is. But yeah, that's a very nice set. I like that. Let's go ahead and pull these out. And if you're curious what I've got on my corn, these are Red Pro keys switches. One of my personal favorites. I like the light touch. So we'll put that away. And we'll do one more quick shot so you can see the blacks really well with the light. See how it has that little shine? You can probably see the texture in them. See the contrast of how they're curved. Very nice feeling key switch. Keycap. These will make great hats for your switches. All right, that's our black. This is our Tai-Hao whites. So let's take a look at our whites. I'm excited about these keycaps. Oh, wow, I love the white. Look at that. That is nice and clear, shiny. I'm a big fan of white keycaps on black keyboards. If you've never done that, you'll see what I mean here in a minute. And yep, we got an MX, an extra colored Choc switch, which is kind of cool. Let's get one of these out. 1.5 U's. See, I love you'll see how all of these are curved. I like that because it feels good on my thumb, you know? It's like snuggles your thumbs some in a way, you could say. Put this on my corn. You see how the white, how it contrasts with the black. I always thought that was cool. Pull out the OS command like we did with the others. It has a nice snug feel. Yeah, it feels good. Yeah, I like these. You could totally mix and match your keycaps to really personalize your build. So if you wanted to, you could have like MBX on one and then the Tai-Hao low profiles like for your thumb key or whatnot. I mean, that's cool. I like how that looks. Yeah, and that texture feel. Whereas this is very smooth. Again, these are ABS, these are PBT. So the PBT of the MBK switches have the same kind of light texture feel. So, and I love again how big and clear that lettering is on the white. And that's nice. And again, just like the others, these are all shine through keycaps. Get these caps back in. Give you one good more look at these whites. So you can see the legend in all its glory. Very nice feel to them. Nice shine, as you can tell as I move it through in the light. This is an LED light that I've got here. Yeah, so this is a nice, very nice little keycap set. So, like I said, I've got all of these in stock today. as of the making of this video, and we're going to keep these in stock. So be sure to go to turkeyboards.com. If you're watching this on turkeyboards.com, thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this informational. If you got any questions about this or anything like that, please reach out. And thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.